so I don't go shooting where your heart beat. 'Cause you take the bullet trying to save me.
Make sure that you don't need to touch anything until you're done, because anything you touch will turn to gold. What's going on, guys? My name is Essence and welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, subscribe because the videos are popping. And if you're back, then welcome back. If you hear background noise in the background, it's just my son being a toddler. Hey. If it's your first time here, then welcome. Comment down below, let me know that you're a first time watcher, and if you are if you're returning, then comment down below returning. I don't know, think of something cool and I'll know. Today I'm going to try hair wax for the first time. This is crazy because I always thought to myself, I love when I see girls with curls when they have like highlights and stuff because it shows the definition so nicely. And so this hair paint wax thing that's going around is really cool because it's basically temporary hair dye in a way where it basically just washes out, like one wash. I got the copper color, which is really, really pretty. It smells like men's deodorant. It smells like men's body wash or something. Like, it's a good smell. It doesn't smell bad. And this is from ColoursNCurls. I found them on Instagram and I believe that they're a Canadian company too. So if you're from Canada, then support. I'll have all of the information linked down below as well as their Instagram. I believe one pot is like $20 or something like that. The directions basically just say apply on hair using fingers to glide product on. That's it. Hair is already puffed, it's already detangled, it's moisturized, it's ready to go. I know a lot of people were having problems with it transferring as well, so grab like an old t-shirt that you don't really care about when you're doing this just in case it does transfer on your clothes. But I'm wondering if the transfer has to do with how wet your hair is. So I'm gonna do this side damp, this side dry, and I'm gonna do a braid out. I am washing my hair tomorrow, so this is not like a week-long thing. I don't want it to transfer on my pillows and on my sheets and on my clothes and stuff. So this is just like a test run. I'm gonna do a braid out and I'm just gonna see how this goes on. So let me take this off. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. Feels weird. So it feels like, I don't know how to describe it. I can't describe it. Oh. It just goes on. I know that sounds weird, but like it kind of just feels like a moisturizer with color. Like it's just on. If that does that make sense? Get a little bit closer. Looks it's not moisturizing, but it's not like sticky or anything. Okay, so I have two braids done. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the damp side using the same techniques, and then I'll catch you on the dry side. It's like all over my hands. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the dry side and I'll let you know how it feels. As I put it on the dry side, it literally just feels like a moisturizer. Like, no lie. It doesn't feel like a paint wax or anything. The braid out curl pattern is gonna like show off the wax more. Yeah, you could totally do this on dry hair. Some people, the waxes that they were using, they were saying it felt very waxy and actually defined their curls, and they really love that. Mine doesn't feel waxy, which I kind of like. The downside to that would be it transferring more. I just don't want the ends to be extremely puffy when I'm done. So that's why I'm just spritzing a little bit of water on the ends, and that's it. Literally, when you're doing this, just make sure that you don't need to touch anything until you're done, because like, anything you touch will turn to gold. Or copper, or pink, or purple, or blue, or whatever color you get. Okay, I'm gonna finish the dry side and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, so I'm all done. This side is like curling up, I don't know, for some reason. For now, I really like the color. It's super messy, so like the baby wipes are all coppered out. My Deadman brush is like, yeah. Just make sure that you don't have to touch anything during this time, especially if you're doing like a braid out or like something that's gonna take longer. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Okay, so I've gotten basically all of them out. I always miss one braid or one twist. Anyways, as I'm taking this one in the back out, I'm just gonna let you know what my experience was. Might as well just start talking. So right after I finished everything, I had to tend to my son and I had to wash the paint wax thing stuff off my hands, and it washed out like normally. It washed out super easy, so that was good. My hair was never wet, so I left it on to kind of like set in the braid and stuff for like 2 hours or so. And this is how it looks. Obviously my braids are not separated or anything. So this is how it looks, and honestly I like it. I think this is so cute. It looks really orange on camera, but in person it's not. And yeah, I like it. I think it's really cute. As I was separating though, I don't know if you can really see, but a lot of the copper came off on my hands. So as you know, this side was the damp side, this side was the dry side, and in terms of look, they don't look that much different. This side is a little bit more defined because it dried more into the style, and this one's a little bit more frizzy. But in terms of transfer, as it, you know, it coming off on my hands and application, it was the exact same. So this product specifically is really creamy. I know some people were saying the other ones that they used were more waxy. Was gliding on like a moisturizer or something like that. And my hair definitely would look more defined and stuff if I put gel or, you know, some kind of styler, but I literally just used water and a moisturizer and put this on top because I didn't want to slip and slide all over the place. So just keep that in mind if you have like an oil or something. I don't know if I would put it on top of this because this is, it's definitely not very tacky. So yeah, this is it. This is the final hairstyle. I definitely would recommend it. I would just say, you know, put your clothes on first before you know, take your hair out, because if you put anything white over your head or anything like that, it's definitely gonna like come off. Maybe as it sits in here for another day or something, it may dry down or something, but as I said, this was the dry side and it's still kind of coming off. You know, if you're around people, don't get too close with the hug, you know, anything like that. But I think this is so cute for like a one-time thing. You know, if you're going to an event or it's like Christmas or something, you want to switch up your look, maybe you're doing a photo shoot or something. I think this is really nice. So I didn't focus on my roots. I just focused it more so on my ends, and then whatever excess was on my hands, I just kind of, you know, put it there. But yo, this is cute, man. So I'm just trying to fluff. I'm just trying to fluff her. Just trying to get more volume. Separating here because I think it looks kind of choppy. So that is pretty much it. Let me know, do you like the color? Should I try any other colors? Let me know. And yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.